Yeah. 2 gram down. This fool took the gram like
Right there.
now he's going for 2.
Yeah, move on. Daniela, who wants this?
What the fuck? That's that kick batter too.
I think the girl was asking there. Are you guys sisters? You guys need like sisters. Well, hold on. Let me tell you. Hold on, before you leave this, hold on. Do this real fast.
Where's the count?
Who wants the Rice Krispies, bro? I'm waiting.
Folks, you smell that shit? You smell that? That smells lovely right there. You smell that? This will look terrific. Is he popping though? This thing is about to be the new sponsor right here. Look at him. Doesn't even call.
Yeah, ain't nothing left. Come down.
I'm impressed. Crystal did it up.
You got some raw donut exclusives with some